Bengali actor turned Member of Parliament Nusrat Jahan is receiving threats on social media networks only because she posed as Goddess Durga in traditional attire. The visual there on your screen. Nusrat Jahan posted this visual of her dressed as Goddess Durga on the occasion of the Mahalaya. A few days later, she also posted some more videos from a photo shoot. Nusrat Jahan is seeking now additional security from the Ministry of Home Affairs as she's in London, Ministry of External Affairs therefore, and for the film shoot, and the government of West Bengal also for domestic travel. Let's go across to Manogia Loewal. Manogia, Nusrat Jahan is no surprise to controversy, but she's also been defiant. She says she's secular, she will do as she pleases, but this is getting serious now against her.
Well, yes, and it's not for the first time that someone has posted for or against her on the Instagram or the social media platforms. This time, however, the words are offensive and, of course, demeaning and derogatory too, with the kind of attire or the occasion that she's been dressed for. On one hand, she was dressed as Durga and posing for Mahalaya and other occasions, of course, the Durga Puja festivities. But as she is shooting in London now, she has reached out to the Ministry of External Affairs, asking them for additional security because the threats have been increasing, and this is not for the first time. Multiple times in the past also, but this is perhaps the first time when she's seeking for additional security in foreign land. She's shooting for a 23rd movie in London and it is expected to continue for some time. However, the application, of course, the official request is being forwarded both to MEA as well as the state government for further in the domestic as well as the national matters once she's back in the country.
Manogia Loewal will be tracking all the latest in this story. Now Nusrat Jahan is receiving threats for simply posing and participating in a photo shoot.